Hello, I'm Councillor Paul Blay from Inley. I'm here with my friends from Humanity First, and today we're going to cook 100 meals for some homeless people in the Wigan Borough. The next ingredient to go in the pot is keema. Next to go in the pot is aloo. My able assistant will now stir the pot.
Thank you very much.
And you may have it. The next ingredients going into the pot is butter.
Thank you, Paul. You are our head chef now. Everyone clap for Paul. Thank you.
The next ingredients to go into the pot is keema.
Thank you.